Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 2011, Pixar Pals Countdown to Fun debuted in Disney's Hollywood Studios at Walt Disney World Resort. The parade replaced the Block Party Patch and reimagined some of its floats. It also had some similarities to the Pixar Play Parade in California, which began in 2008. Both Pixar parades adapted the same theme song that came from Mickey's WaterWorks at Hong Kong Disneyland. Countdown to Fun included 7 units of Pixar Friends and ran through April 2013. But it debuted 15 years ago today. Did you see it? Did you love it? I didn't see it, so I don't know if I loved it. Anyway, have a magical day.